Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. It is illegal to be overweight in Japan. That's the law. The runway at the Gibraltar International Airport has a road crossing it. Two Snickers pack actually contains just 1.5 Snickers. The Eyes of God Prohodna Cave, Bulgaria. The creator of Subway Surfers made the game in memory of his son who died while skating in the train track. The mathematics that makes Wi-Fi possible was developed by a team of physicists looking for tiny black holes. If your lungs were opened out and laid flat, they'd cover the entire size of tennis court. Coloring is the best alternative to meditation. More than a third of the world's smokers are Chinese. The canopies of some trees don't ever touch each other. It's a phenomenon called crown shyness. In 1935, British engineer Robert Watson Watt was working on a death ray that would destroy enemy aircraft using radio waves. A shark's cornea is used in human eye surgery as it is the most similar to the human cornea. It takes 10 times as much energy to heat water as it does to heat iron. Michael Jackson came to India in 1996 on history tour. Meet Balbir Singh, the man who cleaned 160-kilometer long river without any government support. This steep bison was easily preserved by the phosphorus in its skin and the iron in the soil. It actually died 36,000 years ago. French President Emmanuel Macron, 43, is 25 years younger than his wife, 68. They first met when he was a 15-year-old schoolboy and she was a teacher. This is the first living coffin made from mushrooms. It is designed to decompose your body within 3 years so can become one with nature. Trovans are extraordinary rocks that grow and multiply, and you can witness these rocks in Romania. A person's ability to smell is better at night than morning. The human eye can detect more shades of green than any other color. Mr. Bean's character was influenced by Jacques Tatis Monsieur, You Lord, the infamous French silent comedy star. Edison electrocuted an elephant in 1903. Many believe Edison killed the elephant Topsy to prove a point, but some historians argue otherwise. A baby's brain can cause up to 50% of the total glucose supply, which may help explain why babies need so much sleep. The brain in your head is not your only brain. There is a second brain in your intestines that contains 100 million neurons. During pregnancy, woman's brain shrinks and it takes up to 6 months to regain its original size. During World War I, the British Army attempted to train seagulls to poo on the periscope of enemy submarines. Hello is not the first word used as a greeting on phones. Before that, people say aho. In 1945, the first atomic bomb was created and was nicknamed the Gadget. Health experts in China told a boy has developed a rare condition where he can see perfectly in near pitch black conditions. He was nicknamed Cat Boy. This is Jeffersonia diphylla. It was named after Thomas Jefferson, the third president of United States. Restaurant called Order Mistakes was opened in Tokyo, which hired people with dementia as waiters and told customers they might get orders wrong. Artificial cornea implanted in a patient's eye. Late actress Sridevi was only 13 when she played Rajnikant's stepmom in a Tamil film. In the 19th century, it was considered a crime to commit suicide in Great Britain. If caught, the person was punished by hanging. Before hanging him, British broke his teeth with hammer and pulled out all his nails. His limbs and joints were broken. The world's scariest haunted house is so scary that all guests are required to have a mental and physical evaluation before they enter. Meet Harekala Hajjabba. He sells oranges in Bangalore. From his earnings of Rs 150 a day, he built a primary school. When the world did not know G of geometry, our ancestors were delivering masterpiece in symmetry. Man dressed as a Batman's Joker sets train on fire in Tokyo, attacks 17 people with knife and acid on Halloween night. Thanks for watching.